My name is Madeline. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. We just got back from beach vacation, so this video is going to be post-vacay reset. Kind of like it is actually Sunday. Sunday reset, post-vacation edition. As you can probably tell, I'm getting ready to leave the house right now. We're heading out to Target. It's just me now. Oh. Look how cute this is. This is so cute. The little towel set. Okay, I need a cleansing oil. $18. It's La Roche-Posay. I saw this one by Bioderma, which is good, but it's $32, so $20 for a face wash. So I'm just gonna put that back for a second. Maybe I'll just get the CeraVe one. Oh, that smells so good. I'm looking at these Method. I really like the volumizing one. I like the way it smells. I think I'm gonna get these.
Genuinely the best shampoo and conditioner I've ever used. 10/10 recommend.
And when I run out of my body wash, I'm gonna get a Method body wash too, because I think that was like my favorite one that I ever got. Run, don't walk to Target. Pink Brita filter. So I forgot that I need toothpaste. So they have this Optic White Advanced, $6 though. It has hydrogen peroxide, and that's great. So I'll get this one. That's not mouthwash. Oh, here's some. I'll just get one of these. My mom was gonna buy me one off of Amazon. She was gonna buy me a 2-pack, but actually, you know what? I'm not gonna get this. I'm just gonna get it off Amazon because the 2-pack, $17. And here, a 2-pack. Wait. A 2-pack of this is $17. Here, a 2-pack would also be $17. It's the same price. Look how pretty these sheets are. Run. Don't walk. Go to Target. Target has such cute stuff. Today I uploaded a video that I worked really hard on, but it has 2 views. It's been hours and it has 2 views. So I'm a little bit embarrassed. So what I need to do first is laundry. I'm gonna get changed really quick because I wanna wash the clothes that I'm wearing right now. It's kind of annoying to have to come all the way down here to do laundry. I guess doing the stairs is like cardio. I have this stuff on the floor that I need to clean up still. But that's all it is. Like, it's really not that much stuff. That's over because I am so thirsty. This is so nice. Why do I actually sound like an 8-year-old? Splash, you got my hoo-ha soaking wet. I forgot I said that. I always get so many surprises when I'm editing my videos because what do you mean I just said my hoo-ha is soaking wet? Pause. That's not what I meant. I meant because from the ocean. You know what? I might just go to bed. save this for tomorrow. My candle is burning, and my book is all crinkled because it got wet at the beach. Everything is still legible. I am going to read, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and consider hitting subscribe. I love you, and I will see you next time. Mwah.